Hi, Jacob with Agorapulse, and in this tutorial today, we're going to be talking about Bluesky, how to connect it to your Agorapulse account so that you can cross-post and schedule your Bluesky content alongside all of your other social profiles. Now, first step, we need to connect our Bluesky account, and if you're used to connecting social profiles in Agorapulse, Bluesky has a little bit of a unique method to connecting. So our easiest way to connect any social profile is in this quick add button here where we can add users, but in this case, we're going to add in a social profile option. For Bluesky, we're going to go ahead and click on the Bluesky accounts. And here's where things get a little bit more unique. You'll need to grab your Bluesky handle and your Bluesky login to make that connection. Now, for those new to Bluesky, your Bluesky handle will be right here under your profile name. You can highlight that, copy and paste it in for your Agorapulse login. Once you've added in your handle and your password, simply hit connect, and your Bluesky account will sync up to Agorapulse just like all your other social profiles. And again, just like our other social profiles, we'll see this listed here, and we can always remove that Bluesky account or add multiple if we need to. Now, once your Bluesky account is connected, you can add it to your existing groups or create a new group for that here. Again, adding groups or managing your social profile groups will happen in your organization settings under the menus and groups right here. So we can simply select our Bluesky account, add it to an existing group or create a new group for that. And also, with Bluesky, and just like all other social profiles, we can give it a nickname to make it a little bit more clear about what this profile is, or nickname it based on our naming conventions. Once we're done with that customization, save those groups and they will apply to your dashboard. Once our Bluesky account is connected, we've added to a group. Now we can come in and schedule out all of our Bluesky content individually, or we can cross-post it, which is one of the most amazing things we have here in Agorapulse. On top of that, when you are cross-post and scheduling, you can come in and customize your Bluesky content, copy, or any of the other content and copy that you are cross-posting. There we go. Now we have a fully customized Bluesky post alongside our other cross-posted content. Now you can go ahead and publish this right away or schedule out for a later date. Thanks so much for watching. To watch more or to learn more, if you have questions about your Bluesky account and connecting your Bluesky account to Agorapulse, please check out our website, our help center, video tutorials, or reach out to us directly today. Bye.